Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature Ikigai Japan's premium fresh milk tea franchise business package ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for Ikigai Japan's premium fresh milk tea franchise business package ideas. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mykwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1. Company profile. Number 2. Ikigai story. Number 3. Mission and vision. Number 4. Ikigai milk tea products. Number 5. Ikigai franchise packages. Number 6. Franchise package inclusions. Number 7. Why franchise Ikigai? Number 8. Contact details. For the company profile, Lucky Cup Beverage Trading is owned and operated by business coach and marketing specialist Jo Marie Tagle. Ikigai is the flagship franchise offering of Lucky Cup Beverage Trading. Since June 2020, Ikigai has been trusted by more than 100 franchisees nationwide and keeps growing, helping more Filipino families achieve their financial goals. The Ikigai story. Ikigai Japan's premium fresh milk tea started in the midst of the pandemic in June 2020. Ikigai, a Japanese word which means a reason for being, unexpectedly, even after the hand-in-hand arising of other milk tea brands, stood out by creating a wide array of premium flavored beverages specializing in milk and tea-based drinks. The core essence of Ikigai can be summarized in their company slogan, "We only serve what you deserve." This helped them grow into their current status where they have more than 75 franchise branches operating nationwide and still counting. Their mission. They aim to teach and encourage Filipinos to be an entrepreneur and earn at their own pace to maximize their time, to provide an affordable business opportunity that will help aspiring entrepreneurs start without putting too much investment, to create a world-class tasting beverage that will serve every Filipino's craving and help them realize how good life is through every sip. Sharing smile in every sip of their beverage is their mainly goal. Their vision. They aim to serve and be the spearhead of the food and beverage industry to provide high quality and exceptional customer service, to be the most affordable premium tasting beverage in the market for all types of consumers in the market. The Ikigai milk tea products. They have Ikigai premium milk teas. The following flavors are passion fruit tea, lychee fruit tea, venti passion fruit tea, venti lychee fruit tea. They also have Ikigai premium milk teas. The following flavors are Thai milk tea, Okinawa milk tea, Hokkaido milk tea, venti Okinawa milk tea, venti Hokkaido milk tea, venti Thai milk tea. The Ikigai regular milk teas. Choco hot fudge, Java chips, taro milk tea, salted caramel, choco malt, cookies and cream. The Ikigai signature milk teas. Brown sugar milk tea, classic bubble milk tea, red velvet milk tea. The Ikigai franchise packages. For the cart-based store package, the franchise package fee is worth 199,000 pesos only. The store size is 10 square meter. For the fixtures and equipment, heavy-duty cart and lighted signage, initial inventory worth 30,000 pesos, complete set of equipment, uniform for 2 staffs, and initial marketing tools. For the store franchise package, the franchise package fee is worth 399,000 pesos only. The store size is from 15 square meter to 100 square meter. For the fixtures and equipment, initial inventory, complete sets of equipment worth 150,000 pesos, uniform for 2 staffs, initial marketing tools, signage with a size of 1,500 by 400 maximum size, and endorser standee. Franchise package inclusions: one-on-one training, product costing, return on investment illustration, marketing support, course cert, use of trade name and logo, no royalty fee, no renewal fee, Food Panda and Grab assistance. Why franchise Ikigai? Once you invest with Ikigai, you can also take advantage of the following benefits: no royalty fee, lifetime ownership, free business mentoring, lifetime franchise monitoring, supplies are high-end and authentic. They have a unique approach and fast return of investment. For the contact details, for more information, you may contact Ikigai Japan's Premium Fresh Milk Tea through these contact details. The address, 9253 Dita Street, San Antonio Village, Makati City. You can call their mobile numbers 0917-3112-284 or 0947-25-65502. You can also send them an email at ikigaijapanmilktea@gmail.com and luckycupbeverage.customercare@gmail.com. You can follow them on their social media sites, Lucky Cup Beverage Trading FB page and Ikigai FB page. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Ikigai Japan's Premium Fresh Milk Tea today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.